Ghana, Jamaica, same, you know. That's why we tell the people in Jamaica if you come back home, you know, motherland, you know, Ghana. I love Jamaican people, I love their culture, I love everything, I love Jamaican people, you know. I love them, I love their language, I love Caesar Colonji, I love Kipotan, you know. Yeah man, popcorn, I listen to Jamaican music all the time, you see.
Yes sir.
Yeah man, I love everybody in Jamaica, you see.
So the Jamaicans, them, they should come back to Ghana.
Yeah man, they should come back to the motherland, you know. Yeah, man,
why they should come back to
yeah
to
man, Marcus Garvey said Africa for the African.
Mindset, Rastafari. So put up on a journey. So, alright my people, I'm there so with some brethren, we're there saying also Ghana, Zane.
They were from Kingston to Accra, from Kingston to Accra, you know, we having fun on Oxford Street, it is what it is, you know. Yeah.
What do I like about Jamaica?
I like Jamaican so much, especially Alkaline, I like the way you do your style,
I love Jamaica because of the food.
Yeah.
You love Jamaica because of the herb?
Yeah, the herb. Yeah.
Good herb.
We have good herb too.
Then
GH Gold.
GH Gold.
GH Gold. Yeah.
So I love Ghana. I love Jamaica good herb.
Yeah, I love good herb from Jamaica.
Yeah.
But we Ghana,
we've got good herbs too. Yeah. We've got GH Gold, we've got Gringo, we've got blueberry, you know.
blue cheese.
Yeah.
So hear me I say.
Come. It's been a long time now.
The island piece,
you know they see me
Jamaicans and Ghanaians are the same people.
Come, let me run some shit for you. Let me get some stuffs for you. You know, it's me. It's been a long while, my dear.
Alright, my general. See the man who me talk.
Yeah, man, I don't know David on the gospel street, same way still, you know.
Zane.
Ghana, Jamaica, same, you know. That's why we tell the people in Jamaica if you come back home, you know, motherland, you know, Ghana. I love Jamaican people, I love their culture, I love everything, I love Jamaican people, you know. I love them, I love their language, I love Caesar Colonji, I love Kipotan, you know. Yeah man, popcorn, I listen to Jamaican music all the time, you see.
Yes sir.
Yeah man, I love everybody in Jamaica, you see.
So the Jamaicans, them, they should come back to Ghana.
Yeah man, they should come back to the motherland, you know. Yeah, man,
why they should come back to
yeah
to
man,
the
Marcus
motherland?
Garvey said Africa for the Africans, you know, home and abroad. You see?
Born and unborn.
Yeah man, so every black man have to come back to his roots. Come and look for his your roots.
Your roots is Africa.
Yeah man. That's why we say every black people, you know, black people in abroad, you know, black people in the diaspora, everybody come back home, you know. For Ghana, you know, everything is free. Too much freedom over here, you see. Yeah man, no violence, no gun violence, no man.
Yes.
Free.
Yeah, the Virgin attack, the Virgin are telling us say, yo, Ghana are the best place in West Africa, one of the best place in West Africa. You know, Ghana is the gateway, Zane, and as my brother is saying, he's urging all Virgin and sister in the diaspora to come back to Ghana.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
So Marcus Garvey said, you know.
What your favorite Jamaican food?
The favorite Jamaican food is Aki. Yeah man.
And Aki.
Me eat dumpling before, you know.
Yeah.
Eat dumpling before. Eat dumpling before. Because we used to work with Rastaman, you know. We cook itas. So me know about Jamaican food. You know, itas. Me eat dumpling.
Yeah.
Me try green banana porridge.
Rastafari.
Yeah man, green banana porridge.
Rastafari.
Yeah man, we know some of the Jamaican food, you know.
Yes I.
Yeah man.
Yes I. And alright, what do I do for yourself here in us? What do you do?
Yeah man,
here?
we don't know me sell art, you know. Me an artist. Me sell artwork. You know, same hustling in Jamaica, same hustling in Ghana.
See.
Me sell artwork to the tourists, you see it. I'm an artist.
What the man say? Same hustle in a Jamaica.
Same hustle in Ghana.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Tourists, you know. They sell
No, I
artwork.
cannot. No, I can't. I don't like the cash.
This is what we produce, you know.
I know him.
Yeah, man. This one say Sankofa. I will send you pictures.
Rastafari.
Sankofa with the Africa. Back to your roots.
Back to your roots. A lot more men are them virgin now enough to support.
5 sisters.
See how the thing said? Hustling a go on, you say, you know.
Mama Africa. Same way. I'm a peace elephant.
Rastafari.
So the Ghana, Jamaica, same hustle, you know. Same everything.
Same hustle.
Same everything.
You hear it from the virgin in the street himself. We are the same people. No different. So,
Alright, Jamaica, welcome back to Ghana. You know, I saw we do on Oxford Street. Yeah, bad boy, me bust up all of they got in Oxford City. Penta, Piccadilly, Gold Galas, this is us. Me have to cut them rap for the sexy girl, them down at the dankwa. Second, me like the way you flip up, you on the preach bad ways. Ready for the pen, me long cook where you on no belly, I go shiver. She telling me, say, bad boy, I'm in love with your footsteps, and I'm in love with your body curves, body curves.